Welcome to Image Sitemap, the easiest way to submit compliant image sitemaps to Google and monitor your organic search placement. Do you wonder how well Google is indexing your images in their organic search results? Google removed this valuable information from their Search Console interface around 2018. Building and hosting XML sitemaps for images is a massive job. Monitoring your image search placement is an even harder task. Our app does it all for you in the background without adding any scripts to your store that might harm your page speed. The first thing we do is extract core images from your store for products, collections, blog posts, and pages. Then we compile compressed and paginated XML sitemaps for submission to Google. This helps Google easily find all of your pages that contain images. Each time your catalog changes, we update your sitemaps to ensure that Google will receive only the latest image information. After submission, our system will pull data from Google to understand your initial search placement percentage. After this first resource-intensive process has completed, our system will check Google for new data each week so that you can monitor your search placement over time. Install Image Sitemap now. 21-day free trial.